So we talked about how to access Glean, we've talked about the dashboard, and we talked about creating and setting up an event. So now we're going to talk about the recording options that you have on Glean. So if we go back to Glean, if you go to the top left here, that is where your recording button is. So if you click on that, you'll be brought up a few different options to choose from. So you've got in-person recording. So this is what you'll mainly be using if your lectures, tutorials are in person, if you actually sit in a classroom and listen to them and you want to record them through the microphone on your computer. And then you've got remote recording, and you've either got two options here. So you can record screen audio, or you can record the screen audio and the microphone. So screen audio just records what's happening on your screen. So if you're in a lecture, for example, in Teams, then you might want to just do screen audio so you can just hear what they're saying and you're not picking up what you're saying on the other side. But if you, for example, are in your final year and you are doing a dissertation and you're doing research for your dissertation and you're maybe doing interviews, but they're remote, so you're interviewing someone over Teams, then you could use screen audio mic to record what you're saying in terms of asking the questions and record what the person on the other end is answering as well. And then you can transcribe that afterwards, which we'll get onto a little bit later, which is quite good. So just coming back to the microphone option here of in-person recording, this will use the microphone that your system or your computer is using. So you can check this by actually going down to your audio settings. So this little speaker icon down here, right click that, go to open sound settings, and then go to check which output or input you have. This will be the same on Mac. You just have to go into your audio settings and check the input and output as well. So output is obviously where the audio will come out of in terms of your speakers if you're playing back audio, but input's the one we're interested in here. So if you've got a different microphone or a few different microphones connected, you can pick which microphone you want to use, and then that will be the one that Glean uses as well. So we'll stick with this one here, and then we can go back to Glean. And that is us ready to actually start recording. So we could press this. So that's your recording options within Glean.